Hi, Assalamualaikum. Let's continue discussion on the answer for test 2, consolidated CSoPLOCI. Okay, let's take a look at the answer. Okay, so this is goodwill on acquisition of Aman. I hope that you don't have any problem to calculate goodwill anymore. Okay, bear in mind, okay, this calculation of goodwill, okay, calculation of goodwill, the first acquisition happened on 1st of January 2018. Can refer to the question. And this second acquisition happened on 1st of July 2019. Okay, there are students who actually mistakenly show this 20 million ARR revaluation in the first acquisition. Okay, please refer to the question. The revaluation takes place on 1st of July 2019. Please do not include this ARR of 20 million in this first acquisition. Always look at the date here. Okay, bear in mind again, okay, fair value of net asset must always have ordinary share capital and reserve. And this reserve, as you can see, like other reserve, is actually the amount, the same amount you can see in this second acquisition on 1st July. Okay. So you will carry this other reserve if the question is silent. For retained profit, you have to refer to the question. Okay, retained profit in the question. Okay, this is on 1st July 2019. So how do you actually determine retained profit on 1st July 2019? You should take this retained profit on 1st July 2019 first. Okay. The Here you can see, here we have 175. Don't get confused with this 75 million. This is 75 million. This is on 1st of January 2018. But on the second acquisition, which is on 1st July, okay, second acquisition is on 1st July 2019. So what you will do, you will take this 1st January. This is 1st January 2019. You will take this figure and then profit for the year, you will multiply with 6 over 12. Okay, this is how you get the figure for second acquisition. Okay, second acquisition is actually on 1st of July 2019. Okay, so it is actually 175. Okay, 175. Here we have 175 and 133. Okay, 133. Okay, for this other reserve, you will carry 30 million, the same 30 million. Okay, for this Damai Berhad, this is S2. Remember, group structure is vertical structure. For vertical structure, you will take indirect consideration. So how do you calculate indirect consideration? Amount that S1 acquire S2 is 1050, but you cannot take all 1050. You will take 60%. What is 60%? 60% is actually acquisition of holding acquire S1. Holding acquire S1 60%. This is on 1st January 18. Only on 1st July 17, only on 1st July 19, it becomes 70%. So when is the date that you acquire, you calculate this goodwill? It is on 1st January 2018. So which figure you will take? You will take 60%. You will take 60%. And percentage of NCI, you will take 52%. Okay? Then you will get bargain purchase. So this is how you calculate goodwill for vertical structure for S2. Okay, let's move to consolidated CSoPLOCI. Okay, so all the adjustment, I hope you have no problem to prepare the adjustment up here. Okay, I would like to focus on OCI. Remember, I explained for this OCI, we have surplus actually. Surplus on revaluation. And this surplus on revaluation actually being shown in this question here. Okay, this is the surplus. Okay, surplus on OCI is given in the question, so you will take 70 holding, and here we have S235. Okay, this will be shown in OCI because it is given in CSoPLOCI in the question. So these two figure you will take directly. However, we have additional figure to be shown here. Okay, this is revaluation of S1 that takes place on 1st July 2019, and this is current year. And this amount also will be shown in OCI. So what happened in your answer? You should get 70 plus 35 plus 20. So what is 70? 70, remember I explained to you, you have to understand that this is 70 is holding, 35 is for S2, 20 is for S1. Therefore, when you prepare, and don't forget after you get this TCI, total comprehensive income, always show this profit after tax attributable to, and then TCI attributable to. You know that you are getting one tick here in your answer when you show this figure, when you show this item. Okay, so you will carry 815 here, 0.7, and 940.7 here, total TCI. Carry this figure first. So how do you calculate working one? Okay, working one is shown here. So remember, we have half year for Aman, 60%, remember, so 40% is here NCI. And then after additional of 10%, NCI become 30%. Okay, that is for S1, Aman. For S2, Damai, remember this is vertical structure I have shown you before. So NCI portion is 52. Okay, you can see from the question that I have explained here. So NCI portion is 52. Okay, on the first 6 months, and it become 44%. So you can show here in your answer 52, and 44%. Okay, this is how you calculate as working one. Working one, then you total up these two figure, working one, and you will show working one here. Okay, working one here. So what you will do after that, balancing figure will be the amount here. You work backward, you will get you show 815.7, and then you total up from this working one, you calculate here, and then you work backward, you will get balancing figure for parent. Okay, how about TCI? Okay, you carry 940.7 here. Okay, you will first take one figure from working one as NCI. And don't forget that I told you we have S2 35 million. So 35 million you will multiply by 44%, you will get 15.4. For this is for S2, and for S1, 20 million. So 20 million times 30%. Remember S1 in the second half of the year, NCI portion reduced to 30 from 40 to 30%. So this will be the figure that you take. So you will calculate here NCI, you total up from working one up here. So from up here, you will carry plus 15.4 plus 6. Then we get this figure. After that, you work backward, then you will get balancing figure here. This is how you calculate. Okay. In consolidated statement of changes in equity, okay, show this as working two. Okay, working two, we have two column, group retained profit column and NCI column. So this amount is the amount that you will carry from previous. Okay, you take this from A, you take this from C. Okay, this is the amount that you carry from part A and part C, and then the rest you can you can try to prepare the answer. Bear in mind, bargain purchase is in this beginning balance adjustment for this beginning balance, because this bargain purchase that you calculate 42 is actually this is on 1st of January 2018. When you calculate this beginning balance, remember I told you the date is on 1st of January 2019. Okay, so whatever in the previous year will be shown here in this beginning balance. Adjustment in this beginning balance. You will not show bargain purchase in consolidated CSoPLOCI. Don't get confused. There is no adjustment for bargain purchase, because this calculation of bargain purchase for S2 is done in 1st January 2018. So I hope that you can understand my explanation. Thank you. Thank you very much everyone for listening.